My name is Chuck Bowers. I am the founder and president of Rocket Enterprise Incorporated in Warren, Michigan. Started the company in 1982. The services we provide here at Rocket, we manufacture flagpoles. We install flagpoles throughout the Midwest. We also repair them, we maintain them, and one of the big things that we do here is that we maintain flags for companies that fly them day and night. And that is the basis of our business. That's how the business really started. So before I contacted Grit, I have contracted with other companies. And what I found with other companies was they get you on board and you know, it all looks good from the beginning, it sounds good, but they can't back it up. So I do blame myself because I recognized several years ago that this was not the answer. It's a Band-Aid and I needed to find someone. But you know, I can make a lot of excuses and I have a lot of excuses. I was busy with this, that, and the other thing, and I kept putting it off. I put it off too long, boom, we get hit with a ransomware, and now all of a sudden, besides getting my business back up and running and rescuing the business, you better believe my next priority is I'm finding a bona fide technology company that's got my back. Ransomware attack is devastation. It was a nightmare. What I've learned, if you don't have a team, a qualified team behind you, an army ready to go, you are in big trouble. Yes, we did get through it, but it would have been a lot quicker, less painful, less costly, and less interruptive had we had Grit with us at that time. But we didn't, so. What I've learned, it's not an expense to go out and get the best technology company that you can find to be there for you. It is not an expense, it's an asset. Because that when something happens, you cannot measure how much money that you're losing, you know, whether it be lost revenue or it could be just money thrown away. You can't measure that. And man, I'll tell you what, Grit talks the talk and Grit walks the walk. I've heard this from all my employees. The response time, really the transparency is incredible, and that is unique, and that is the #1 favorite aspect of Grit, and that's what I'm hearing from all my employees. This is a high level, high integrity, high commitment operation. And the key factor is we have a team behind us. The name is Grit. They get it done just like they said they would. And truthfully, when it comes into the realm of technology and running a business, it's a game changer, man.